She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. Type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler steady lose his mind. She got a thin round waist and a big behind, the type of ass that'll make a hustler, 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 make a hustler, make a hustler, make a
Boom! What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Welcome to another live. We are gonna be here watching everything what is happening in the markets today. We are gonna be explaining where we are watching Bitcoin, where we are watching also Ethereum. We are gonna be also checking, of course, trying to figure out what is happening in the financial markets right now, guys. I know it's been a long time. It's been a long time since we had a very nice live session here on YouTube. But of course, guys, we are here. We are gonna be checking out what is happening in the markets. We are gonna be explaining. Thank you for everyone that is here today. And of course, wow, we are gonna be checking out. I didn't know that we are gonna be so many, to be honest. Not that much, but yes, we will do our best. We will be explaining what is happening in the markets. We are going to be explaining what is happening in every case for the Bitcoin, the Ethereum chart. Here I was checking out the 15-minute chart, of course. But guys, we are back. We are back. We are going to be checking out, and of course, if you have any kind of questions, you are of course saying what you want to say inside the chat. Just be cautious, of course, and keep in mind that we don't want to have any kind of swearings and stuff. So yeah, we are here. We are gonna be also for the English speakers, guys. I know it has been like so big rush on TikTok, but we are here. We are gonna be fixing everything. We are gonna be checking what is happening in the charts, and of course, thank you for being here tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And we are back. We are back. We are back. I just want you guys, for everyone, to be here. Of course, this is a little bit difficult since we haven't been on YouTube for such a long time. But of course, we are gonna be checking out what is happening in the charts right now, guys. What we have on the weekly chart for the Bitcoin price is that we are penanting right now on this falling wedge, and the thing that is happening is that we are finding this insane resistance line, the red resistance line, that is also keeping us one step closer either for a breakout or for a massive rejection. And of course, the things are not looking so great in case we are going to reject with a very nice baseline holding to approximately 20,200, and this is what we are checking right now. Also, the money flows are looking pretty great with the first wave of the momentum waves. We are also checking right here that is coming to pretty much confirm all of this price action that we have in the charts, but also what we are noticing from the VWAPs is that we might gonna have a very nice slight slowdown for the first move, and of course another direction to all the way towards the upper side. Now, in every case, guys, in case you're not listening so good what we are saying, oh this here, guys, this here, he is here to actually be the one that he is gonna, I think he's gonna also prepare a very nice video for you guys for the next days. And he is the one that is going to watch also this today's live, because he doesn't like my Greek sessions, guys. So that's the truth. However, we are here, we are going to be checking out what is happening in the charts today. Now, by me going a little bit to the lower time frames, what we are noticing is that very close to finding this very nice red dot in the momentum waves price curve for the RSI, and this is what is going to point. We have nothing right now, no bearish divergence, nothing yet, and we are not even overbought, guys. So what we are going to be pointing at, no matter what is happening in right now. Okay, guys, we are on the 5-day chart. What I want to say is that by the fib ratios, in case we had a high right here that we have actually on the daily chart, what we are going to be pointing is 0.618, 0.5. Those are the two levels where the longs want to start, where we are going to be actually having an insane confluence also with the previous highs right here. So what I want to point at is the 1.272, 1.414, and those are the two levels where we are watching to the 27,000 and of course 26,400. This is the two levels, and an exhaustion actually of this increasing of the price that we might could have. But whatever it happens, we are going to actually figure it out from the shorter time frames, and of course for every reason we are going to be also checking what is happening to the momentum waves, to the VWAPs, and of course the RSI that we have in front of us now. If we are going to be opening also the pivot lines, and of course checking out with what is happening as well on the DBSIs, guys. This is something that I would like to notice, that I would like to see, is that we start with a minus on the upper side right here, and those minus are pointing this kind of exhaustion that's slightly falling, and we have the first 5 level. So yes, it could be a price reversal where we could see the upcoming like 10 days or something. So by me going to the shorter time frames, what we are going to be pointing as well is the fact that yes, the strong line, it could be also the 21,700. I am pointing this price line because, guys, it's something that I believe that in any case we have two scenarios to what's the downside. The one scenario says that the longs will not come on board for any reason because they will not make it. Why? Because they are expecting the prices to the 21,200 and something, and the 20,287. Those are the two levels that the longs are waiting like a hawk to actually get these moves. So I believe that because the market is not working how many people want, they will come to use this line, and of course load first and then take the price towards the upper side. So this is what is happening in this price move, where we are actually pointing is also that this wave has been working like that also to the shorter time frame. So I believe that not something crazy, but is going to happen for once more. So by me zooming in a little bit on the daily chart, I'm going to be deleting a little bit what we have from the DBSIs, and I'm gonna be actually opening the EMA ribbon. Now the EMA ribbon is the indicator for me that is gonna point in every way a very nice momentum execution that I would like to have. So why am I saying that? as far as you see, those lines are very much expanded. So this means that the momentum is still staying strong. We haven't been coming down to test any kind of these lines. So in case we are coming to curve and of course break this ascending broadening wedge in every way, we would like to test at least those levels. So as far as you can see, the 21,750 is the level where I'm pointing in case this thing breaks. What's the downside? And we see right now that we are creating a very nice head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart, and this could be of course the case that we could dump to further in case we are breaking this. Also, what's the downside is going to be a perfect ascending broadening wedge formation that is not going to get accomplished by reaching the 21,265. So the second scenario that I want to describe in every way, it is that in case this is going to dump further, so they can fill up orders, and also they can fill up orders, we'll have a price reversal because this expansion cannot actually swap directly. So this means that we need time, guys. We need time so we can see further price action and then price curvature and falling all the way down to at least 19,340, and then the next level of course is the 18,170. So this is the prices that I'm checking right now. This is the prices that I'm actually waiting for in case we are not oh, this is breaking. What's the downside? So I think we're gonna have a very fast move in case this thing is not going to hold. I think that the 21,780 is a very critical position, and I think that most of the people will actually put orders so far already right here from those that they know, okay, from those that they know, because the rest of them, they are expecting prices like that. So what is happening in this case? Those should be filled and then liquidated down here in case the price is reversing towards the downside, and those guys will actually, sorry for my words, will shit their pants, and what is going to happen is that they will dump further. So as far as I see here, we are coming all together to yeah, of course guys, you can just write down whatever you wish for. I'm gonna try to reply most of the questions. We are not so many people, so I think it's easy to actually speak about everything. Now in every way, I just want you to go smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications so you get this very nice fresh content we can share any moment. Now, by the price action that we have right now, guys, in every way, we are forming a very nice head and shoulder pattern that, of course, is a bearish sign, and another bearish sign is also the fact that we are going to get rejected to this red line that we see over here. So, in every way, be cautious. What could happen, what's the upper side, is the fact that we could break this one, okay, this high. That's a little bit difficult, so we can see prices to the approximately 25,000. Now, what is the deal in case we are forming this specific thing? Why? Because this reminds me a little bit of Elliott waves, and this pretty much rhymes to the fact that if we would have another leg towards the upper side to the approximately 25,002, then I would like to see an ABC correction wave. The ABC correction wave can easily drop the prices, depends to where the price is coming after the 25,000, so we can have a lower high and then see further price action towards the downside. Welcome everyone, welcome welcome George, Stelios. Hello guys, hello everyone. We are gonna be checking a little bit what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price, and of course it has been a live that we have been delaying for so long. Sorry guys, I really I am packed, and really I try to make it happen for everyone in Greek and English, so whatever. I hope guys, let me take a breath. I'm coming back so we can continue this very nice session. Of course you can sit here, gather all together, and we are ready to start with everything. So we are back. We are back. We are gonna be actually opening a little bit the very nice pivots that we have from KGS. Is actually an amazing tool. The CPR lines, guys, they're actually mental. So what I want to be pointing at, it's of course that the research is actually showing right now that we could easily come within this month and actually that's the 25,854, and the next CPR line is coming to reach the 28,663. So yes, guys, it's actually crazy. It's actually crazy since the previous month. What we have been pointing is the fact that we broke all of those three because the momentum was actually in very low levels, and then we had a massive breakout. And this massive breakout, what it did is the fact that gave us another insane leg. So the CPR lines, the next CPR lines start opening in a much higher level. So the thing that could happen, is that we cannot decline the fact that the monthly pivot all the way down on an 18,372, it pretty much rhymes with what we had in the neckline of this very nice double bottom formation, and of course W pattern that got created back in time. So yeah, this is actually crazy. And of course, we have to consider that this is going to be the key level support that we would like to see in case of a mental breakdown that could happen the upcoming months. So in every way, what we should see, guys, is I would like to see the touching of the 28,670, because guys, in every way, I'm going to be confirmed in every way, and of course be very happy for what is happening, since I have been actually predicting very nice moves also for the Bitcoin, but also for the Ethereum price on the higher time frames. And yes, this is something that I actually have been pointing also in my Twitter account. You can just go subscribe right there, follow, and you can actually press the all tweets so you get these very nice things that we are posting regarding to the TA and everything that we love about it. Now, let's see here. Take your time. Yeah. Okay. What we have here? Oh, okay. We have people from all over, guys. We are not so many, but we have people from all over. Welcome everyone. So now, what we are going to be also checking out is the weekly pivots right now, and the weekly pivots are actually also pointing. I have to load down this very nice on the 4-hour chart and the 4-hour chart, so we can see how the pivots are actually working out regarding this very nice TA that we have right here. So in every way we have these very nice support lines coming. You see, guys, it's like we start losing the pivot of the previous week, and this is lowering that to 21,540. So as much as the time is passing, this is going a little bit lower because of the price action as well. We have very nice things towards the downside. And yes, guys, maybe I should pull this definitely on the downside here. Why? Because I want to be entering in case I would like to have another long position, and yes, this is gonna be my next swing trade most likely. That's why I have been waiting right here. And yes, this was the 21,750 that right now is not a place anymore. Do you see? I haven't seen that. And this is the reason why I'm opening all the time the CPR lines, so I can check the pivots and what we have at this point. Now you see perfectly rhyming at the 24,050. This is the decline level that we could see. And look at this, guys. Look at this. How crazy is that? The fact that the 25,000 is also rhyming with the pivot, and of course, by the time frames we would see a spike, it would be pretty normal that this could take also some time until we see, like, approximately 3 days until we see further price action. What's the upper side? So you have to be cautious right here. You have to be cautious. It's either on the upper side, the levels at the 25,000, and on the downside the level of the 21,500. It's critical. And it's coming also pretty much to rhyme with what is happening on those spikes right here. The unfilling gaps that we have to come somehow and retest one day, most likely, of course. As a swing trader, of course, it's not my mission to try to reach the gaps, guys. This is not my mission. And why I'm saying that, the theory of gaps is very nice, but you also have to be cautious of what you are doing in general, and you have to be also prepared for what is the price action that is going to come in every case, because we have unfilled gaps also down here that they didn't get covered. And the reason why, if you have been a swing trader right here and you have been expecting a move towards the downside so you can fill up gaps, well, guess what? You are liquidated now. So never short an uptrend, never also long a downtrend. You have to be crazy, and in case you are a swing trader, you are going against it. You don't want to do that. You don't want to play with the bulls. You don't want to play with the bears when they have their own momentum. You don't want to do that. Okay, so so far so good. I have been watching a little bit the 15-minute time frames right here. I don't wanna stress with that. Why I don't wanna stress with that? We know very well we have been expecting consolidation. This is what is happening. Is the trend gonna change? Most likely, guys. Most likely it's gonna change because it takes some time. Of course, for the price to reverse. The buyers are not changing so easily. We have been down for a very long time, and of course it was a very nice relief rally that we see in every case happening. And for sure it's something that we have been expecting, guys. I told you so many times. You can go back in the videos and check that I was screaming out for the 16,500 and the 15,500. This is what happened. And of course, this is what I'm actually proud of, because I have been able to watch the momentum, see the money flows, and see how everything works, so we can end up to a very nice a point. And that's what we made, guys. That's why we made so many insane profits right now. That's why. So yeah, this is definitely a part that I would like to, of course, point at. And of course, if you have any kind of questions, we are here to speak about it. I think we are gonna be staying for a little bit further, for a little bit more. And yes, we are going for the Ethereum analysis after all. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy a little bit. Yeah, bit.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip. Got it, you. 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 Got it, you.
So yeah, we are back with the Ethereum price here, guys. We have to see what is happening at this point. What we want to be checking out is as well the fact that we have very nice resistance line as well, holding very nicely. Now, is it going to break towards the upper side, guys? Be honest, it is pretty much a correlation between everything right now in the S&P 500 and of course the traditional markets. What we have in every case is the fact that of course if this is going to break towards the upper side, we are gonna be party hard, and especially the holders right now. Why? Because they make money, guys. They make money. Those that have been buying down in this territory, uh they make a lot of money, guys, a lot of money, like me. Yeah, I didn't wanna say that, but I'm saying it. Okay. So why we say that is because, guys, we have been screaming so much. I have been making videos for these things. Very nice descending triangle right here. Sorry, falling wedge. Very nice descending channel, I would call it. So what we see is also the outperformance of the Ethereum regarding to what was happening for the Bitcoin price. And the thing that I'm saying that is because here we have the first low outperforming of the Bitcoin price. If you watch also instead the Ethereum BTC chart, you will see that here you have a massive drop to the Ethereum, and then we have started gaining so much more at this move comparing to what the Bitcoin have done. That's why the Bitcoin created a lower low. Meanwhile, Ethereum was creating a higher low. So the higher low in every point was much more bullish thing, and I didn't expect in any way that we are gonna be dumping further. And this is what happened: double formation, and of course broke out towards the upper side. This is not paid yet, so we have some room left, so we can at least cover the 1990, and I was expecting even the 2200. That's what I was actually screaming about. So yeah, in every point you have to be cautious, guys. You have to be here. You have to expect also the fact that we have a very nice crazy resistance line right here, and you can see it's proved by, sorry, this was actually, yeah, this one. So that's why we are pretty much coming to reject right now. Could this be the scenario that we are breaking all the way up? I'm gonna continue taking profits, guys. I'm gonna continue taking profits. My trade was actually massive. I have been posting everywhere my profits, and what I was actually doing, I opened an insane trade down here. So this is what happened, and I took it all the way up, guys. It's massive. I have been taking 3 times profit so far, and I'm gonna continue taking profits all the way up to the 2200 in case we are reaching right there. Until now it has been just glorious. It has been just glorious. What we are doing right now is that we are kind of penalty towards the upper side. This is a bearish pattern formation, pretty similar to what is happening also with the Bitcoin price. The W pattern though here would be a very nice indication that we could somehow break towards the upper side. In case we are breaking towards the upper side, we have to see higher prices, and it's not impossible to even see higher than 2200. This is what the lower time frames are pointing to, the 3-day chart right here. What we are actually pointing as well is that the momentum here is creating the first red dot, but I don't expect that this move is done right here. So most of the times we see every time we are passing this very nice gray line, we see another green dot playing out. So yes, guys, I'm expecting that. I'm expecting further price action towards the upper side, no matter what. No matter if we are coming to retest this very nice resistance support into a resistance, resistance into a support, then I'm for sure watching AB equals CD pattern breaking towards the upper side in every way. 2200 is a target for me, in every aspect, in case to we are coming to confirm lower levels. And I don't really mind if even if we are coming down to the 1370. I don't mind. I'm gonna continue. Maybe I'm gonna actually upgrade my trade, to be honest, because this is how I'm scaling up. So I'm creating very nice new opportunities, and then I'm taking the trade all the way up. This is how I made multiply by 45 in my very nice previous run, when it was back started from September 2021, as far as I remember. Yeah. So yeah, I made an insane crazy profits, guys, all the way up. Bitcoin and Ethereum just trading, it was just massive. So right now, of course, it's a huge rejection point right here. I don't mind if we are going to first reach at the 1770 and then price rejection. What's the downside? I don't mind at all, guys. We have another move, and this is pretty obvious for the Ethereum chart, guys. This is all I want to say. Isn't it like another point, guys? For sure, if we are breaking all the way down to the 1221, this is gonna be black swan event, guys. And this is gonna be black swan event not just for Ethereum but for every single market. So yeah, I don't say that I'm turning bullish and that we are gonna reach 16,000. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that we can easily reach 2,200. That's what I'm saying. So please don't take wrong my saying. Okay. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Well, it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday today. So yes, I've been losing the days a little bit, guys, because I've been working too much, to be honest. So yeah, I got a little bit burnout. Now, in every case, every chart is pointing the same direction. This is a pretty much bearish pattern. I said it before. Could we have another leg towards the upper side? 1770 easily, and then price reversal. In the price reversal, I'm gonna start really thinking of loading my bags, guys. I'm gonna start thinking about it now. For what we have with a very nice fib levels. The fib levels are actually saying that those guys here, I don't know if they will have the chance to load. It's the same, pretty much the same what is happening with Bitcoin, that I don't think that they will load at the 0.618, and I don't think that they will even make it at the 0.5. I don't think so. If this could happen, it would be insane bullish, and I would like for this to happen in the upcoming days, upcoming 3 days. I don't think that is going to happen. I don't think so. It has to be like a kind of bad news but fake moves. So yeah, price reversal and then going to all the way towards the upper side. So be cautious regarding that. Stop loss is placed at the 1360 for those that they are pretty much thinking of longing. But guys, even if it's gonna do a spike, because this is very possible to do a spike and then reverse over the 0.5, I'm not stressing out. But it has to hold like at least a day over the 0.5 after that, because then it's gonna prove for sure a move that can easily lead to higher prices. So that's all. I think we spoke about everything. I think we have seen everything. Now, very nice also turtle waves down here that they could easily bring another spike towards the upper side. Pretty much the Bollinger is gonna start squeezing very soon, and then we could easily see prices towards the upper side. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you so much for everything. I hope you appreciate that we have been together after so long in an English session, and I wish you a very nice Tuesday night, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
If I miss them 400, red dot, I'm all down. Why you bring that money to the club if you ain't throwing it? How you naked on the ground, but in person you ain't showing shit? Why you go against the game, you can't be them nigga join it? Ain't tapping when you got the Cali, got your ass extorted. Brand new coupe, I floor it. Brand new bitch, got a hoard. Brand new Glock, I adore it. Have a nigga running like Forrest. VIP, I'm very important. In the hood, I ain't never no tourist. Got the drop on the op, we door explored. YG from the streets, YG real legit. YG lit, YG start a business with your bitch. 50 bitches flew to Cabo, YG a trip. YG think he Kanye West, he got his own kicks. Whoa, fresh out.